Hi everyone, it's Marlene. Welcome back. I'm so happy that you can join me today. I wanted to give you a really quick update, live update, and I wanted to give you a tour of what's going on in the townhouse. Today is June 8th, Friday, June 8th, and I took these pictures, short videos. I think it was a few days ago, about a week ago I took these, but I hadn't had time to edit them. Anyway, I wanted to show you what's going on with the townhouse. First of all, let me tell you what is going on in my life. As you know, school is out for me. Graduation was on May 23rd, and I cried like I had never cried before in a 6th grade graduation, because a lot of these students, I had them in the 4th grade, and then I had them again in 6th grade. This was an incredible year for me. I just love them so much, and we had so much fun together. We read so many books. If you are new to my channel, I am a 6th grade reading and social studies teacher. And we just read so many books, and we had so many discussions, and the kids just got involved and did all kinds of projects. I don't do book reports. And yeah, they were just so wonderful. And we took so many pictures, and I wish I could show you, but the Privacy Act, whatever, with the kids doesn't allow me to do that. I think I had them take a picture with them holding their books up. Maybe I already told you all of this before, because I remember showing you the picture with them holding their books up. Anyway, if I did, I apologize. So the year is over, and they are on to their to middle school. They're enjoying the summer. Some of them have kept up with me on Instagram. If any of you are watching, guys, I love you so much. I know that some of them come on here and they watch my videos. Some of the girls do anyway. But yeah, if you're watching, I love you. You know who you are. On another note, we were supposed to leave for Kansas 3rd of June. Well, we had a bit of a setback, and unfortunately that was due to our general contractor having a death in the family, and it was a very close family member, which was totally devastating. And we told him, go and take care of your family and a family business, and don't worry. I mean, this could all wait, obviously. So anyway, everything had to be pushed back about 2 weeks, and that's why it had taken so long. It was supposed to have been finished already. He's back. He's working hard to try to get us out of here, basically. This weekend, we are having pictures taken of the condo. It's going officially on the market, and then we are going to, I think the carpet will be installed sometime next week. I just got the backsplash in for the kitchen, but I will show you all of this. I did take last week, I took short video, so I'm going to, before I leave, I'm going to leave you with that footage so you can see it. Like I said, it was probably about a week ago. We haven't been able to leave to Kansas. Like I said, we were supposed to leave on like the 3rd. And here we are on the 8th, and I don't know when we'll leave. Middle of June, 3rd week of June, I have no idea. But you know what? It is what it is. You know, there are just some things that why sweat it? I can change it. Why worry about it? If worrying about it was going to make any difference, I would sit here and I would worry till I'm blue in the face. But it is what it is. We have to leave everything set there before we leave, because my husband wants to stay in Kansas until the end of July. Do you know when I go back to school? On August 3rd. So, I don't. Anyway, I have to laugh. There's nothing else that I could do but just laugh the whole thing, because I recorded videos yesterday, I recorded videos today, and I'll record a few more. For the month of July, I think I will be in Kansas by that time. Who knows? I will let you know if I am not. You'll know, because I'll be answering comments very quickly. But as far as I know, we will be in Kansas during the month of July. So my plan is to have a video at least on Saturdays, if I can get them recorded and edited and put on cue, so I could have them go up. Therefore, I won't have my usual uploads of Wednesdays and Saturdays. Without further ado, let me get on with the footage that I took of the townhouse so you could see. Let me know what you think. I'll come back after I run the footage. All right, we're going inside the subdivision right now. Well, the front we need to do, and we'll get that landscaping done down the line. All right, I am in the house, and the walls have been painted. They actually look white, but in actuality, it's a very light gray. So we'll see once everything is in here. I thought it was going to be a little bit darker, but it's not. All right, I'm going to turn you around. I don't think you could really tell on the difference between the white frame of the door and the gray. It really is gray. Maybe you can see it on video. All right, these are the not the tiles. This is the countertop, and this is recycled glass. It looks kind of like terrazzo. Let me bring you up, zoom you up closer. There you go. So it has these pretty blues, and I'm trying to decide if I want subway tiles, glass subway tiles. Sunny day. All right, all of this has been painted. The doors have been done. And now we're going upstairs. And let's see what's going on up there. What are you thinking, Papa?
I'm trying to get this lined up so we can maybe look at carpet a little bit better.
Okay. Look how pretty that bathroom looks. Oh my gosh, it looks beautiful. What do you think, honey?
I like it.
You like it?
I like it a lot.
It looks beautiful.
Did you get a picture back?
Oh, I haven't. And there's the little cubby, so we could put our shampoos in there. A little seating area so I can shave my legs. This is the extra bathroom. These walls are really not blue at all. I don't know why they're looking blue. On camera they're looking blue, but they're actually a very light gray. So now we're trying to pick out which carpet for the hallway is going to look better. That's the bathroom tile. And we're trying to pick that. All right, this is the room that had the tree. This is my makeup studio, makeup room. As you can see, the plantation shutters have not come in yet, but the tree is gone. And there'll be a ceiling fan going up there.
Oh, well, it's perfect. Rare find.
Rare find. Okay, I think we've got it. I think it's that one that we're gonna go with. Right there. All right, awesome. I am gonna change those down the line. I am gonna change these knobs.
Well, I knew you said you were going to change them to like what we have at home, but
Right.
that's going to go with clash against all your fixtures. The knobs we have at home are not brushed nickel, they're something else. I'm talking fixtures like in the bathroom and the kitchen are brushed nickel.
Oh, you're right. So maybe we could find some brush nickels for the brush nickel.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, brush nickel for the doorknobs. I hate those gold. Good idea. All right, so we've picked out a carpet. Okay, those are the, I don't know if you'll be able to see those. Those are the light fixtures. This is where the bathtub was. And we just did it the same as the other bathroom with the little cubby. and the same sitting area. And Papa's writing down. Call him Papa because of his beard, like Ernest Hemingway. Right, Papa?
Sure, just call me Ernie.
I'll call you Ernie from now on. How do you like decorating? Do you like decorating? Remodeling?
Sure, I love it.
Okay, so what do you think about the update? It's looking pretty good, isn't it? I mean, yeah, we should have more done, but we don't. And I've already explained why. Okay, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And don't forget, ladies, follow your passion, whatever it may be. I'll see you next time. Bye.